Hey everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card to the OnePay app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got started using the OnePay app, but you want to go ahead and fund your OnePay app with your debit card or checking account. How do you actually go ahead and connect your debit card with the OnePay app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the upper right hand corner, your profile icon, and then you're going to go ahead and click on account, which is located in the center. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on linked accounts. Once you click on linked accounts, you're going to have two options here. You can either link your bank account or you can link your debit card. Click on link debit card and you should be able to see where you can enter your card information here. So enter your card information, expiration date, CVC, and then click on add debit card. Additionally, you could also click on scan to add and so that you can scan your card so that it gets connected as well. But there you have it guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your debit card to the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.